I'm doing a fried egg. Now the way I fry an egg is in a small pan with a lid, and I always put lard in because it gives it a better flavour. So on a low heat, wait till your pan gets warm, free range egg, put it in the pan, and then put a lid on it. Leave it for a couple of minutes so the heat off the egg will condensate on the lid, which will drop down and cook your egg on the top. So that's a fried egg. We'll come back in a minute when it's ready. So my fried egg's been cooking for about a minute or so, and it's all perfectly cooked. Serve it up with some bacon, sausage, mushrooms and tomatoes. There you go. You could just eat that, couldn't you?